Hello, for Uber?
Yeah.
Hey, how are you?
Good. Oh my god. This car is so nice.
Oh, you like my car?
Did you buy this yourself?
I did, yeah. I just got it, actually.
The ceiling.
You like it?
Soft.
It is. Yeah, feel free to, enjoy it, sit back, relax.
The seats?
Yep, layer
Oh my
leather.
gosh.
Real leather.
This is like my favorite car.
Really?
Yeah, like what are the chances my Uber picks me up in my favorite car? It's all black.
I mean, I don't know. I feel like a lot of people like G-Wagons.
Yeah, this is nice.
Yeah, you like it?
I would love to get picked up on this. You should take me for rides.
Well, I am taking you for a ride.
No, but outside of work.
Oh, well, off the clock?
Yeah.
I really only give rides outside of work to, dates or friends, but
I think we could make a deal. We can go on a date.
You would go on a date with me?
Yeah, if you pick me up in this.
Well, you just met me. Oh, you mean because you like the car? You don't like me. You like the car.
No, I like both of you. But together it's perfect.
But if I didn't have the car?
No, I'd still go on a date with you.
Oh,
yeah.
You're a real one. You're a real one.
Mm-hmm. But just make sure you bring the car, though.
I'll bring the car. Don't worry.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not a rental, I promise.
So you must have a lot of money, though, right? Because in order to buy this, you have to be rich.
Yeah. I mean, Uber pays pretty well, so yeah. Uber's been pretty good to me.
Wow, how much do you make?
Let's just say I make enough where you wouldn't have to work.
This sounds great. This is a dream come true.
Yeah, I don't know. I feel like women shouldn't have to work. They should just...
I agree.
Stay home and, or not even stay home, but do whatever they want.
Make sandwiches.
No, use my credit card, go have fun, do your thing, but don't never have to step foot inside of a business. You wouldn't ever have to worry about money ever again.
I like you.
I'm just saying, I'm old school, men should work all day and then let the woman enjoy life.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. So where are we gonna go on our date?
We can go to, have you heard of Nobu?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like sushi. Do you like seafood?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's, we can go there and then, yeah.
And then where afterwards? Because, Nobu is a little...
What?
Nothing. It was just I thought maybe you had some plans for afterwards.
Oh,
can spend more money.
Oh, you wanna...
dessert maybe? Ice cream? We could go to somewhere nice?
Yeah. Anywhere you want.
Perfect.
Maybe Cold Stone?
Yeah, that actually sounds great.